in other words, ikaw magturo sa kanya nung ito, lagi nating sinasabi rito yun di ba?
Okay. Bongga!
Bongga!
Oh, it means
Bongga.
great.
Yeah,
It means
great.
great.
Oh, great.
Great.
Bongga.
When you see
Bongga!
Si Kakay talaga ang bongga, hindi ba lang isasabi ni Eric siya?
Alam ko na mamaya, ha?
So, Kakay is the epitome of greatness? Tinuro lang yung mouth, sabi, bongga! Bakit ganun, Kakay? Nilaban mo kami ng buo ni Eric? Ikaw talaga ang best?
Ang cute ng tawa niyo.
Tapos yung tawa ni ano talagang, di ba? Parang sorry! Sinusorry mo kami?
Pumula na ng tenga mo.
So, Kakay, you can also say to Kakay, bet na bet.
What is that?
Bet na bet, it is like na like. I like it so much, like na like.
Bet na bet.
Why?
You love him.
Pero ko rin, parang nalihis yung landas. Di ba, ang alam ko Eric Mario to eh.
Alam din.
Sumama na nga ang loob ko sa Star Cinema kasi I've been telling her a while ago. When Star Cinema asked me to do a movie for them, they asked me, who do you want to have a movie with? And I said, can I have a movie with Mario Morer?
Oh, really?
And then they said, okay, we'll think about it. And then the day after, I just learned that you're going to do a movie with Eric, and I felt so bad. And now, it's worse. But after doing a movie with Eric, you're beginning to like Kakay so much. Oh my goodness. I hate this feeling. What is it in her that you like so much?
Kakay?
Her gums. Kakay.
And Kakay, the gums?
The gums? No, that's not just the gums. Yung Kakay, have you heard about the Philippine setting? Have you heard about the Philippine Deep?
No.
That's where you can find the Philippine Deep. The Philippine Deep. Yeah, it's like a canal. Yeah, it's equal to the Suez Canal.
Or underground river.
In Palawan. Take a journey to the underground. So, what do you like in her?
Kakay is, she can sing very well.
I can see.
Uy, I can sing too. You know that? Yeah, you heard
I feel so free. So I can see having you next to me. Suddenly it's magic. One love, one touch. Don't you like my voice? I am trying so hard to please you.
You like her now.
I still cannot touch like Kakay.
Let's ask her to sing the song. Since you like her voice, we all love your voice. We just pray that you're just a voice. Okay, can you do the song for us?
Okay, guys. This is for you. Kipi boy.
Ano Kiwi po?
Tawag namin sa kanya kasi.
Okay. Yung same song ha, yung theme song.
Ay, oras na po.